Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova Y91 and let me share with you how to activate the automatic system updates on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find about phone. Now let's localize the software version and here we have to keep tapping on it, which may be quite confusing, but keep tapping until you will see that we are in the developer mode. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial of how to use them. We've got quite a lot of important information there. And okay, coming back to this tutorial, after activating, just go back to the general settings and tap on system and updates. Now let's enter developer options and here we have to scroll down just a little bit to find automatic system updates. Let's turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, and from now on your device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. But remember, you don't have to manually update your device, but remember about restarting it from time to time because the restart time is the time where your device will apply the updates. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.